Today let's see our top 10 homemade drone experiments. Number 1. Flag hoisting mechanism for our drone. Number 2. Installing LED lights on a drone. Number 3. Flower dropping mechanism. Number 4. Homemade drone versus KTM RC drag race. Number 5. Automatic landing gears for a drone. Number 6. Firing Diwali checker on a drone. Number 7. Homemade payload dropping mechanism. Number 8. Installing an action camera on a drone. Number 9. Virtually flying a drone in a drone simulator. Finally, number 10. Subscribe to our channel because we are coming up with more such experiments.